This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT science question. This question is asking us, which of the following orbital eccentricities, that's a really interesting phrasing, does not belong to an orbiting planet? So we saw in Kepler's first observation that an ellipse is an eccentric elongated circle. So the ellipse is the shape that the planets make when they're revolving around the sun. So we see that the ellipse is an eccentric elongated circle, specifying two axes that intersect one another at right angles. Okay, so we know that it's being called eccentric, and eccentric in common parlance is going to mean something a little bit off or weird, and it's telling us here that it's an elongated circle. So it's probably not going to be an exactly perfect circle. So it's probably going to look more like this as opposed to perfect circle. So let's look at our choices. So our choices, they give us some specific decimals. So this is hard to say. We don't know if this is good or bad, so we can't say that it definitely doesn't belong to an orbiting planet because we don't even know what unit this is in. So let's leave off this. Let's leave this one off. Choice number 3, exactly 0 or circular. So this is probably going to be our answer because we know that it's eccentric and it's elongated. So it's more like this and not like this. So this is going to be something that we can definitely say from our information. These are too specific to say yes or no. So it's not going to be a good answer. And choice 4 cannot be determined from the data. Most of the time, not a good answer because you probably can find it in the research supplied. So let's go with choice 3.